Welcome to my taco. Hopefully having a wonderful day. Going to in front of my house, so I received a package. Hopefully it's one of the KC Pro6 lights or my side step for the taco. So let's go check it out before my dogs get to him. This is one of my dogs, Lucas. And she's another, the new member of the family. Lucero. She's a King Corso. You know, little troublemaker. You know, she always try to fight me. And here's a package. She was like really close to it. Before she got to it, you know, try to get it. All right, let me go in and try to do an unboxing video. We are back. I'm right here in my kitchen. So these are the specs on it. I don't know. There you go. You can see them. They're the KC Gravity LED Pro6 Single. There's two of them in there. Each of them is 20 watts. This is filled with the mount of stainless steel. They're powder coated. This is the temperature I got them. 5,000 K, so it's like a bright white. So I'm going ahead and set it on. It comes with the harness from KC to install them. So I ordered some other mounts for my taco, the ones that mount for the dish light. So that mounts inside the hood, and it sticks out of the hood. And I'm thinking of trying to put them there. Let's check out the lights. Got a little bit of weight to it, so let me check out it. It's nicely wrapped. So this from the back side. Got a logo KC. Hold on so you can zoom in. If you can let the camera adjust. They got a little adapter. Couple screws. You can see the fins. They help out to dissipate the heat from the LED. They get pretty hot, so it's pretty good. Or let it go look at the front of it. Okay, it comes with a KC cover. So let's take out the cover. And it just pops out. There you go. I got a little plastic to cover the lens. And you got a little KC emblem in there. It looks pretty nice and built. Let's see if you can see the chip. Let me try to peel it off. You can see the chip there. Let me cover it. You can see the chip there. Got one there, and then the other one on the other side. All the housing all around is all metal. It says stainless steel. With stainless steel bolts. Here's the bearing. You can on the sleeves to adjust them how you want it. So it's pretty good. Hopefully coming soon, I can get out making how to install them and get more content. Yeah. So okay, let's go try to. On the box, there's another one. So plus, you don't need to open them. They're just exactly the same as another one. So let's check out what the harness kit has. some casing. Okay, it got performance lights. It got all some new things that they're coming out with. The light bar, other spotlights, and different styles. Mounts and things like that. Okay. This is the KC. That's the wiring harness. I know how to do it, so look at these. It's like a little diagram showing, you know, connected to 12 volt, the fuse, into equal color. A couple of stickers from KC, a couple of zip ties. So yeah, this is the KC wiring harness for the light. I think they're capable for 55 watts each. So this harness is capable of 110 watts. That's the part number 6308. In the back, they have like a little diagram showing you can connect to your battery. There's a yellow one for the fuse, the black one goes up, and then this one connects to the brass color. I think you got a relay. Oh, that's to a switch. To the switch, and it says how to connect it. Here's one connector, here's the other connector. Okay, comes with a sticker. The harness looks pretty good. Wrap a couple zip ties. They have the switch, and to be honest, I don't really like the switch. It's pretty good. It feels real good, but I ordered another one, a push one, almost like the ones that comes on the tacos that you can push on and then turn on the lights. I ordered mine. Mine says zombie lights. So I'm gonna use the other one. It looks more stock. You can actually put them on. And the you can actually put them in the empty slot that you have on the left side on the bottom, or on the under the radio, where just a couple empty slots you can put them there. So this is basically it. Oh, let me go show you the what's it called, the mounts that I bought for Tacoma. So this is the box for the I call it for the mounts. I bought them on Amazon for 16 bucks. They're pretty thick. You can look at here. It's all metal. There's two of them. You connect these to the hood bolts, the ones that go under it, where the bracket that holds the hood. You put them there, and this thing was going to stick out of the hood from the back, and then you can put on your dish lights. I was thinking of getting powder coated or another color, so I don't know if I'm gonna do it or not. I might go talk to my friend over there at Freedom Powder Coating, and probably get this powder coated and some other parts I have there, get them powder coated. So this is basically it. Hopefully soon I will make how to install the video, and I want to know what kind of things you're trying to see in the channel right now because of COVID. I was thinking going to the drag strip, you know, try to test out the Tacoma, how fast it accelerates. I was thinking of doing some engine upgrades probably in the future. I don't know, a turbo or a supercharger, a swap. I'm still waiting on that because like, I don't know if most people know that Tacomas, you can actually really tune them right now. So I'm waiting for like a tune, like HP tuners or someone that can actually tune the vehicle, so I can get real good. So I can probably get all the potential out of it, out of the supercharger or the turbocharge that I'm thinking of doing. Yes, and and some of the other upgrades, you know. I'm still waiting for my the side steps for the Tacoma, and yeah, I want to know, you know, where you see me. Well, yeah, so that's basically it. I want to thank you for watching, and I was wondering, where are you from? What kind of vehicle you driving? And I want to know your opinion of what kind of things you want to see on the channel. I had it planned before the COVID to go to the drag strip, test out the Tacoma, get like a little quarter-mile, 8-mile pass, and I'm thinking in the future doing a supercharger or a turbocharged single or twin on the Tacoma. But I'm just holding off on that because there's no company that can tune the Tacoma yet. I think they gotta jailbreak the factory ECU, so you can actually tune it. But yeah, I'm thinking there's some turbo on it, and I want to know a little bit from the viewers what kind of vehicle you're driving, and where you're from, you know, and what you like to see on the channel. You know, what kind of things. I'm thinking doing kind of like a blog channel with how to install things and upgrade my truck, a vehicle that I'm like I want it. I want my vehicle all around vehicle, something I can use on the street. Sometimes if I want to go to the drag strip, go to the drag strip with it. Sometimes if I want to go off-road with it, you know, because I like to go travel a lot, you know. I like nature, things like that. So I was wondering what kind of things you like to see on the channel. I'm planning on doing a giveaway when I hit my 1,000 subscribers. I'm thinking of giving 3 gift cards. So yeah, so hopefully you have a great day, you know. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and any questions, you know, you can email me or write something in the comments, and I'll try to get fast back to you.